Hare Krishna. When Lord Krishna danced on the hoods of Kalia and smashed the heads and jaws which cracked and were bleeding, and the mouth was emanating smoke and poison. Everybody else was watching the scene. And Krishna's dance was so beautiful, the demigods were showering flowers, and the Vrajavasis were happy that Krishna has subdued Kalia and conquered him. The whole atmosphere was one of great joy, seeing Krishna's delicate beauty and dance. But Kalia was most miserable. So somebody may ask, is it not cruelty to climb on somebody's head and jump up and down and dance like this? So the wives of Kalia, they say, Nyayohi dandaha. What you are doing, Krishna, is perfect. You are only doing nyaya. You are not doing any anyaya. Really? Dancing on somebody's head, is it not anyaya? No, they are saying kala nigrahaya. You have appeared in this world to destroy the kala or the vicious people or the vicious mentalities. So there is a virtuous mentality, there is a vicious mentality. Vicious mentality means insubordination to the Lord and becoming a source of great dread and fear for other living entities, torturing and troubling others. These are all vicious beings, asuri pravritti. So kala nigrahaya, you have descended in this world to destroy such asuri forces. Anugrahoyam, they are saying, therefore you are dancing on the hoods of our husband Kalia, and that is actually your anugraha, which means your mercy upon him, the greatest blessing. It is exactly like a doctor giving injection and curing a patient. Or it is like a doctor taking a knife and severing a boil so that the patient can be relieved of the pus and all the dirty, painful things in the body. So in the same manner, when we are trying to chant the holy names, Krishna dances in the tongue of the chanter, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. So if Krishna is dancing in the tongue of the chanter, imagine if you are having a lollipop or a gulab jamun in the mouth, you are supposed to feel sweet and jolly. But why are we finding so much difficulty in chanting, which becomes a big struggle? That is because of the avidya or the ignorance residing in the heart, which is like a pitch dark amavasya, darkness. Deep ignorance of our bodily identity, our own real identity. We are identifying with the body, identifying with the things belonging to body, which is called aham and mama. So this ahankar and mamakar makes us think, I am the first one to do this, nobody can do this, I am a very important person, everybody should respect me, and without me things cannot go on. I did this, I did that, I was the one who gave idea for this also, I did. This kind of ideas are ahankar. And mamakar means, this is mine, how can you touch it? You never took my permission. That is this is my territory, why are you entering here? Things like that. This is my this, my that. So this kind of mentality is deep rooted in the mind of the conditioned soul. Due to this ahankar and mamakar, our false ego has become vitiated like Kalia, Nad. And with this false pride afflicting our heart, we all are quarreling with multiple living entities in this world, day and night. Daily, people are fighting a kind of war with ego tussles with other living entities. So Krishna has kindly come in this world through the medium of the Guru Parampara and the spiritual master, and we have received the mantra. And now he is entering our heart and dancing on our false ego. Just like imagine when you chant the holy name, Krishna is dancing on your tongue. So when he dances in the tongue, my spiritual master once said, your tongue is like Kalia. Our tongue is like, because tongue also moves, correct, no? Like Kalia. But the Kalia has got wish, which is in the heart, the avidya. So the chanting of the holy name will be painful till the poison is exhausted. When the poison is completely exhausted and the Kalia becomes humbled, after that he experiences great joy. So much so he tells Krishna that although I am going out now, of Vrindavan as per your order. Whenever you need me, call me. I will take you and all covered boys on my back and take you for a joy ride. So he became very happy to carry Krishna on his hoods when he became purified. Earlier he was very angry. Why are you climbing on my hood? Later he would come up with different heads. Because he thought, how can Krishna put his feet on my head? But now he requested Krishna to put his feet on his head. He said, sit on my head. So in this way, when one is a non-devotee, one doesn't want to subordinate oneself to Krishna. When one becomes a devotee, one is very happy to carry Krishna on the head. So, the daily chanting of the holy name is to destroy the ignorance in our heart by uttering the holy name and purifying the heart. And that purification process is often painful. Like you go to Ayurvedic doctor, he gives you bitter powder medicine or bitter juice, like the sugarcane juice is bitter for a jaundiced person. So you don't like it, but you have to consume it because it is necessary to cure the disease. So the chanting of the holy name may be bitter or painful in the beginning, but if you keep on chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, we can pray to Krishna, please dance on my tongue, purify my heart, cleanse my false ego. Let me recognize my true identity as your servant. You are my master. I am your eternal servant. Let me lovingly serve you. Let me not trouble other living entities. Let me be peacefully situated. In this way, please accept me, don't reject me. This is the mood in which one should chant the holy name. And the more we are purified, the more the ecstatic bliss of the sweetness of devotion will manifest in the heart of the chanter. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Swancha kalpatarubhyascha krupa sindhubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki